Welcome to Koh Samui. So, yeah, we've based ourselves in Lamai, and we're staying at the Lamai Resort. And what I'll do now is I'll show you a little bit around the resort. Okay, so this is the reception area and tourist information. It's all open air. So this is the pool area where we're going to surely spend a lot of time. There's a bar over there at the back of it that serves cocktails, beers, you name it. But yeah, it's quite nice. So yeah, they got all these deck chairs, umbrellas, the bar, and that's all your accommodation, which I'd say is probably all your expensive rooms. Our rooms are located in a different section, but yeah, that's quite nice. Okay, this is where we're staying. Our accommodation is on the second floor, third door, and yeah, it's basic accommodation. Yeah, but good. It's got everything that that you really need: a hot shower, toilet, decent king-size bed. But yeah, this is all belongs to the resort. And if you follow that road there out to the main road, it takes you to the main street, which is only about probably 300 meters down the road. So yeah, the accommodation, we're staying here for 6 nights, and per room it's cost us $300 Australian, so it works out to be about 50 bucks a night. Yeah, that's pretty good. We're pretty happy with that. So over the next 6 days, we're just going to laze around Koh Samui. So come in and join us.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm dying. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. Now the sun is rising. And we're new people. Let's be new people. There's no need.
Okay, today I'm going to dedicate some time, lazy time, on the beach. Leo time.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind, just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna
Yeah, we are going to eat them now. Very good.
Beautiful, huh?
There you go. Nice. Okay, I'm going for a healthy breakfast this morning. Fruit, salad, yogurt, banana smoothie.
Got sugar, yeah.
Nan's got pad thai gung and some looking
It's mixed berries.
mixed berry what? Smoothie. Pad thai gung.
Yeah.
Banana pancake for Ben with a smoothie as well.
อย่าพึ่ง
อย่าพึ่ง
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
มาเลยครับชื่อสมบูรณ์ครับ
กินข้าว
Oh, you fish yo-yo also. You fish yo-yo.
Yeah.
โอ้
Yo-yo she eat only watermelon. Sir.
โอเค
You feed, I'm going to record. No, that's all right.
เด็กบาสเต็ปเนี่ย
ที่นั่งสมบูรณ์กินได้ทุกอย่างครับ
เรากินได้ทุกอย่าง
ครับ
Only yo-yo only have watermelon.
ยกเว้นส้มตำใช่ไหมสมูกินข้าว
นี่เหรอก
ระทะอยู่นี่
เก่งมาก
นี่ก็ข้อคอนเลย
เอาอีกไหมลูก
ฮะ
เก่งมากก็ว่าอยู่
มาม่าไม่ใช่อยู่นู่นหรอ
ไม่มีอ่ะ
ดูเด็กๆเด็กอุ้ยเด็กๆ so cute
Okay, have to sit first. Have to sit down.
สิดาลูกสิดา
sit down, Tim.
Sit together.
Yes มาลูกมาเด็กๆกินโต๊ะลุมโต๊ะกินโต๊ะเลย
ดีหนู
เอาลูกอ่ะเอาลูกอ่ะโอ้เอาลูกอ่ะลูกกิน
แบบนี้กันกับ 4 years old
อ๋อ
3 years old
ให้กินได้ละบาทนี่
เอาลูกอ่ะ
น่ารักบุกเบนเพื่อนไหม
เอานี่ไหม
So we've got oysters here.
Yeah.
And check out the size of them. What's
กุ้ง
this
แช่
one?
น้ำปลา
Kung Chana Ba.
กุ้งแช่น้ำปลา
And what's this one here?
like a salad mixed salad
With oysters?
no it's seafood
With seafood. And
beer
beer, Lao, and a gorgeous view.